In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer $10,000 to Cash App. So Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance, savings, Bitcoin stocks, paychecks, you can file your taxes. There's a card where you can spend your balance, and you can even do peer-to-peer payments. So you can really do it all on this app. This is going to be a part 1 video because it's going to take a few days to do the transfer, and then I'll follow up with a part 2 and maybe a part 3 if I add more money than this. So the feature that I'm mostly interested in is this savings feature here. You can see I earned 4.5% interest on my money. Down here it shows about what you'll earn per month, so I want to get this balance up and see what we can do. But first I just need to transfer money from my bank account over to my cash balance. So to do this, you're going to need your account and routing numbers, and you can do this by tapping right next to the cash balance at the top of the screen. And here it's going to show your routing and account numbers so you can transfer money to Cash App. Mine are blurred just for this recording, so you guys won't be able to see those, but I can see them on my screen right here. Another thing to note, if you're going to do this, be sure to go into your account in the top right corner, scroll down, check your limits. It looks like the max I can do is 25K per week, so I wouldn't want to try and go over that limit. Also be sure to go into your security and privacy. Make sure you have two-factor authentication on. If you're storing a lot of money on these apps, you want to make sure you have two-factor authentication and the highest security possible. So now I'm going to go to my banking app, and somewhere in your banking app should be the ability to add external accounts. So you see I've added 2 different accounts here. The one on the bottom is my Cash App account. You might also want to do a small transfer of funds to your Cash App to test and make sure everything is linked properly. Like you can see that here in the middle of the screen, they sent me 19 cents and 95 cents. And then I basically had to go in to my banking app and verify this 19 and 95 so they know it's a real account and everything's working, the transfers are working and going to the right place. It's just a verification step. So I'm going to go to transfers, transfer between accounts, select where I want the money to come from, and select where I want it to go to, which will be one of those external accounts that I added. I'm going to type in the amount here and tap done. The standard transfer is fine. Then I'm going to tap review. This transferred $10,000. Send this on April 26th, which is today, and I should receive this in 1 to 3 business days. Then I just go ahead and tap confirm. Exceeds maximum amount for external transfers. So basically there's a limit on how much this bank will allow me to transfer at once. Okay, I talked to support. Max transfer is $5,000 per month. I think I already did $2,500 this month, but we'll try $5,000 anyways. Tap confirm. Exceeds maximum monthly. Unreal. Okay, so we got to do 2,500, and then in the next parts of this series, we're going to get it up to 10K. This is why we got to get our money out of these banks. You got to start trying crypto a little bit. You got to dabble at least. You got to try some of these banking apps. Like, this is crazy. I can only move 2,500 from this app. They kind of got us trapped. But anyways, 2,500 now. Tap confirm. Transfer started, confirmation, sent on April 26th, and it should be there in 1 to 3 business days. So that's how to start the transfer on your banking app. Now I just have to wait for it to show up in my Cash App balance. We're starting to transfer 10K over to Cash App. That'll do it for part 1. Stay tuned for the rest. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.